Just got it today. My box set from Me, My Wine, Eponica Global. Thank you. Okay, let's unboxing it. It's quite huge. I wonder what's inside. I thought it's only have books, right? And USB. Okay, let's open first. Okay, ready to unbox. It's Eponica there. Okay, what we got here? My own box set. After long wait, we got type here. Tharn type the series. Okay, it's quite big and quite heavy. I wonder what's inside. Okay, let's open. Ta-da! Yay! I finally got mine. Okay, so here is the novel for Tharn type after that. Okay, and then what I got here was this. It's nothing. And here we got the is a postcard. And here we got what's this? Don't know. And here the type diary and the flash drive and the flash drive here. My Tharn and type there. Okay, let's see. This can play. Okay. And we got here Tharn type, my Tharn type box set. Okay, thank you, Me, My Wine, and Balance. Okay, Bianca. Okay, bye bye. See you again. Bye.